Rise from 2004, Shandong Jkw-Machinery Company Limited is an integrated of industry and trade enterprise, specialized in research and development, sales and service of excavators, loaders, mixer trucks, road rollers, drilling rigs, and various of other construction and mining equipment. We are located in Shandong Province, which is a well-known traditional and prosperous machinery industry base in North China. We are committed to offer one-stop solutions on China engineering and mining equipment. Dedicated to providing quality products and services, JK employs 35 experienced technical and management personnel. Over the past few years of management and exploration, JK set up its own quality management system and service system. We make all of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Selling well in 300 cities and 30 provinces around China, our products are also exported to more than 20 countries and regions all over the world, and we will keep working hard and increase investment to improve our quality and service for a long time in the future. Here we have 12 sales staff and 4 support staff in trading department. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely welcome clients and friends to visit us and join us.